So this is slightly angled aluminum, so I will fix the limit switch like that. So here I make hole, we can fix the screw and the other side. Then I already fix one screw here, make hole and screw, and other side I already mark where the second hole will come. Already I mark. Now I will remove this one. So we make another hole like here. Clean. I will check it is on proper place. Okay, it is on proper. So we make here hole. So our hole is completed. Now I will fix the switch. So we make two holes. Now we'll put two screw to fix it. So holes are proper or not. Yes, it is matching. We can tight it. Right, correct. Now I will remove this one. We need two more holes this side, so on the CNC it will fix on the wall.